taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
É pessoal, vejam só o prato de Antónia, ficou uma delícia, pá. Para quem gosta de peixe, este é um prato especial, hein? Quem gosta de peixe é o prato perfeito, hein? Okay, that's it. Looks so good, hein? Tem o molho no meio, tem o peixe e o arroz frito ali com ovo, espetacular, delícia total, so delicious, hein? Yeah, milk fish, the dip, soy sauce, with the chili and garlic. Egg fried rice, lemon juice, yeah. Look at that, so delicious, eh? Very nice.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome sa aming kusina, people. Okay, people, this is Philippine dish. We got milk fish, bangus na daing, and then I have garlic in here and rice. And soy sauce and dato puti, vinegar, guys, and of course chili and garlic. Okay guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is Philippine dish. Okay, daing na bangus. Well, in English is milk fish.
Ok pessoal, aqui a Antonia vai cozinhar uma receita lá das Filipinas. Este peixe, ele chama-se peixe de leite, hein? Peixe de leite é o nome desse peixe. É um nome estranho, mas é o nome dele, peixe de leite. E temos aqui chili, pimenta, um vinagre ali das Filipinas, soya sauce, arroz e alho. Aqui a Antonia vai cozinhar.
Okay guys, let's start fried rice. Okay?
Antonia vai começar com arroz frito, hein?
Wait, nasan yung lana natin? Okay, guys. Mantika. Lagay natin siya ng mantika.
Óleo na panela.
Yeah. And then,
Alho.
this is the garlic. Bawang. Okay, guys. Garlic. I'm gonna make a fried rice with garlic and rice.
Ok. Ainda fritar o alho e depois vai pôr o arroz.
Okay guys, and then the egg, one egg.
Ovo.
Okay. And following the rice.
E o arroz, hein?
Okay guys, look at this. Amazing. Very easy and simple, yeah?
Fácil e simples, hein? E bom, hein?
Yeah. People, a little bit soy sauce and I
Soy
can
sauce.
color. Ayan. Next is, I need to fry the fish.
E depois a Antonia vai fritar o peixe, hein? Milk fish. Um peixe de leite.
Milk fish, bangus, the daing, already marinated with vinegar, garlic, and salt, and that's it. Okay guys, the rice is all cooked. Look at that,
O arroz já
amazing.
cozinhado, hein?
Okay, lagyan natin siya ng paminta. Put a little bit paper
Pimenta
in it,
preta, é?
because nice and tasty. Simple and delicious.
E a soy sauce já tem sabor, já tem aquele sabor salgado, já dá o sabor
guys.
todo, ok? É pessoal, agora
Ok,
para
guys.
fritar o peixe.
Okay, lagyan natin siya ng medyo maraming sana. I put oil. Okay. And this one, the vinegar, I'm gonna put in this the dip of the fish.
Este aqui é o molho, hein? Um molho que é um vinagre de arroz com o chili, hein?
Okay. Yeah.
Uhum.
And a little bit soy sauce as well.
Yeah, e ela vai pôr também um pedacinho de soia sauce aqui. Este é um molho
Soy sauce.
estilo filipino, hein? Sim, soia sauce, vinagre e a pimenta, hein? E alho, hein? Garlic, hein?
Yeah.
E alho, hein?
And mix it.
Esse é um molho para o peixe, hein?
Okay, guys.
Está a fritar, hein? It's frying, está a fritar.
Look at that, guys. Amazing. I like nice and crispy. Milkfish. Did you hear that milkfish? It's nice. Especially like this marinated. Marinated with vinegar and garlic and salt and 3 days.
Este peixe já esteve lá no frigorífico por 2 dias com a de sal, vinagre
Garlic.
e alho. Hein? Está bem saboroso. Hein? Agora é só fritar. Hein?
So guys, look at that.
Olha o peixe, hein? Uau! E vai voltar.
Oh,
Olha a cabeça. Olha o peixe, hein? Delicious, hein? Isso é peixe, hein?
delicious chicken.
Nós vamos agora, hein? Uma delícia. O peixe. Olha só para esta delícia de peixe, hein? Does it look so delicious? Look at that, hein? Wow, beautiful color. Got 2 more frying, hein? Delícia total, hein? So delicious, hein? Antonia, you're doing a good job, hein?
Yummy, I feel hungry. Eat.
Vamos comer em breve, hein?
Come here.
Uma delícia, hein?
Guys,
Receita típica das Filipinas, hein?
I love this kind of
This
food.
Philippine food, hein?
Philippine food. So guys.
É o peixe. Uau! Don't tell me so delicious, isn't it nice?
Beautiful.
Wow! Wow!
Okay guys, I present now in the plate. So this is the rice. Nice and hot. Okay. So people, lagyan natin siya ng ganito para hindi. Amazing, yeah. Okay people, this is the fish. Lalagyan natin yung feed, everything fish. It's really hot guys. Really hot. Oh.
Look at that delicious plate Antonia done, eh? Look at that. Does it look so delicious? Wow, yummy, amazing, eh? Delícia total, eh?
Okay guys, look at that, my recipe, amazing and massive plate. Okay, thank you for your watching and hopefully you like my recipe today. Is Philippine dish milk fish with rice, fried rice, garlic, and egg. So the dip is in the middle. Wow, it's if you want the chili, it's so amazing. Okay, people, thank you for you watching. Rub my recipe, and thanks a lot for you watching. Thumbs up for me, and please subscribe my channel, our channel, Ricardo and Antonia. I love you all. Bye.
É, pessoal, vejam só o prato de Antonia, ficou uma delícia, pá. Para quem gosta de peixe, este é um prato especial, hein? Quem gosta de peixe é o prato perfeito, hein? Okay, that's it. Looks so good, hein? É, tem o molho no meio, tem o peixe e o arroz frito ali com ovo, espetacular, delícia total, so delicious, hein? Yeah, milk fish, the dip, soy sauce, with the chili and garlic. Egg fried rice, lemon juice, lemon, yeah. Look at that, so delicious, eh? Very nice.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.